Pero mas effective talaga, mas efficient yung healthcare kung medyo ganito. Tingnan mo si Mami at 80 years old, no signs of osteoporosis dahil exercise every day. Mami, no? Fresh air ang nalalanghap. So I think our patients, of what we're doing, they will realize na kung pwedeng dahan-dahan tayong lumayo sa medical center, we should just get our treatment on an outpatient basis, yung parang less than 24 hours confinement. So, yan ang parang trend ngayon. Bakit tayo lalayo sa medical center kung pwede? Dahil mas makakamura. Di ba? Pwede lang pala tayo. Sa totoo niyan, ako sinubukan ko na sa practice ko sa Mindanao. Pag nagtatay at kailangan ng dextrose, dinidextrose ko under the tree. Dito pwede naman ma-dextrose ka rito eh. Dahil na-dehydrate ka.
Last vacation sa
food poisoning.
Ano ako?
ICU na
yun? Food poisoning, ICU, no? Pero actually, yung management ng food poisoning can be done in a nature setting. Kasi ano bang ginagawa sa food poisoning? Nilalagyan lang ng intravenous fluid. Pag nalagyan ka ng intravenous fluid, antibiotic, whether you take it orally or you eat through your IV. So walang pinagkaiba. Nakaswero ka rito, ginagamot ka.
Bayad pa.
Walang bayad, hindi tamatakbang. So that is my vision of a healthcare. Yung bang, you are part of nature, health, yung recovery is faster, hindi bubutas ang bulsa mo. Dahil wala kang babayarang air condition, wala kang babayarang mga nurses na, mga staff, no? Actually, these people around us, we can train them. Actually, sinasabi, bakit lamang ang Pilipino sa healthcare? Because natural sa ating Pilipino yung malasakit na sinasabi. Yung malasakit na yan, nandyan kay ate, nandyan kay... Sa ordinaryong Pilipino sa countryside, may malasakit yan. Pwedeng gawing parang nurse. Hindi nga lang nag-aral ng nurse, ng nursing, no? Hindi nag-graduate ng nursing. Pero if you train them, mas magagaling pa yan kaysa isang professional nurse dahil may malasakit sa kapwa. Yung may puso para mag-alaga ng may sakit. So that is also part of what I envision to a healthcare system na yung ordinaryong kapitbahay natin, yung ordinaryong kababaihan natin, i-train natin sila na kumuha ng blood pressure, mag-injection kung pwede, which is already happening. Yung mga barangay health workers, tinitrain na yan. Tinitrain na, no? In our setting in the Philippines, we should go to that direction because if you bring patients to the medical center and being managed by doctors and nurses, it becomes very expensive. Diba? Tama ba?